Yo, what is up everybody? Make Money Boss here, back again with another video. Now, in this video, I have something extremely special for you guys. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can make money by just reading. I know, it's insane. You can be making up to thousands of dollars by just reading. It's that simple. You can make up to like, what, $10,000 every week or something? That's insane, right? I know, it is that simple. Now, to get started, you don't even need any talent. It's like you don't even need a certification or degree, nothing at all, not even a budget. You can get started for completely free. Now, if you skip from this video, you're gonna miss out on a huge opportunity. So keep watching this video. So I know there are a lot of people out there that definitely read books, and if you're one of them, you are so lucky that you have found the perfect video. You will be able to earn thousands of dollars by just reading. It's that simple. Now, let me show you how you can get started. But before that, I want to show you how much money you can easily make from this website right here called voices.com. But before I show you the whole website, let me just take you there to their rates section. And you can see from 0 to 2 minutes, you can make up to 100 or $250. That's a lot of money, by the way. And around 5 minutes to 15 minutes, you can be making up to $500 or $750. And lastly, if you make up to 45, if you just, work for 45 minutes, you could even get paid like what? $1,000. Now, believe it or not, that is a lot of money in my opinion. And if you work for over an hour, you will probably be earning a lot more than that. Trust me. It's so awesome that you will be able to earn that much money from just this website. Now, the name of the website is voices.com. It's a pretty awesome website, and when you go to this website, you can see here work with professional freelance creatives, talents on Voices. So, what Voices actually does is that people will pay you to like read. Honestly, that's all you need to do. Just read stuff and record your reading and send it to them, and you get paid. It's that simple. And when we scroll down, you can see the website has been featured on the History Channel, Cisco, Microsoft, Shopify, and so many other companies. It's fully legit. And I myself have used this website a couple of times, and I have gotten a lot of money from this. So the things you can do on this website is voiceover, audio production, translation, and so much more. But today we're going to focus on voiceover, basically reading. That's what we're going to do today, right? Okay, so the way you're going to get started on this website is scroll up to the top and you will see on the menu right corner, you'll have a sign up button. Simply click that. And once you're here, you'll get two options. One saying hire talent for your projects and find work as a talent. You simply click that and sign up. So when you sign up, you will be able to do uh, voiceovers by and reading and get paid. Now, let's say you don't have a microphone. Oh no, that must be very sad, but well, don't worry, you do not need a microphone for that. All you need is just a phone. And if you do have a phone, simply just download their Android app and or iOS app and you can start making money from there. It's so simple, right? And let me show you. Once you sign up on their website, you can do voiceovers for a lot of different categories. Let's go scroll down to this website and click view all on the voiceover section. And you can see all the browse all voiceover skills. You can do voiceovers for animation. That's basically you reading scripts, I mean just reading stuff, and for animated characters. So yeah, your voice might be on a character. Woo, that must be pretty fun. Or audiobooks, that's basically the most highest paying one in my opinion. You just read books, that's all you really do. That's the most simple one, and that's probably what you might like doing. Another one for business, for like, yeah, business stuff. Documentaries, if you want a voiceover or documentary. Ooh, that must be pretty cool. educational, if you want to do some education videos. I mean, you don't have to do the video, you just read stuff. That's all you gotta do. An internet video, you just read script video, those stuff, movie trailer, you voice over the movie trailer. Podcasting is another cool thing to do too. You just read the file that the client sends you, and that's all you need to do. Radio, telephone, television, video games, or voice assistant. There's so many things you can do. And there are other characteristics too. On the languages section, if your language isn't English by native, you can literally do a voiceover for other languages too. There are so many languages out there, not only just English. So no matter where you're from, you are covered. And also on the age, if you have a children that will also like to do voiceovers for you, there's also options for that. And if you have a specific accent, you can also choose that one to get a specific accent paying or style and anything. Like there's so many options, role and everything. There are a lot of options on this website. Now, when you sign up, you're just gonna set up your profile. And when you set up your profile will be on the list on the hire section. You can see I'm on the page for hire English speakers, and you can see hire the right English North American voice for your project. So all the things these people do is just read stuff and record their reading and send it to the clients, and that's kind of that simple. That's all you gotta do, is read, and you're all set. Now let's take a look at this guy named Brian Olson. Let's see what he does. Let's go to his profile. And you can see his main skill is voiceover, basically reading. You can see he has done so many reading jobs, and I am pretty sure he has gotten up to more than a whopping $10,000 by just doing these. And you can see how many people has viewed, and he has done so many jobs. And it was just by reading. That's so awesome. How about we check out another profile, huh? And you can see on another profile named Allison Briggs. Let's check this out. You can see he has done a lot of voiceovers too, and I'm pretty sure this girl has also earned over $10,000 or more. Now, you can also do the same by just working on this website. You don't need any previous experiences, talents, or anything. You don't need any of those. You just gotta know how to read, and I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to read, including you. It's that simple to do on this website. Now, another recommendation I have is when you do start working on this website, you can also work on another website named Fiverr.com. It's another website where you can also do voiceovers if you want additional paying. It's just quite simple if you want some additional money. But I would suggest staying on voices.com. But if you want to spread your wings, check out Fiverr.com. It's a pretty cool website too for doing voiceovers. Now that I show you it's that simple to earn money by just reading, you can actually start earning right now. You don't need any previous experiences or anything. You can get started right now. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you want more videos like this, and comment down below if you got any questions. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.